What is up, YouTube? It is your girl, Veronica, and I have a quick little haul. It is actually from, is it Aliexpress? I'm not trying to show you guys my address. It could be from Aliexpress. I purchased some things for me to make some oil perfumes. So these are some perfume bottles. They appear to be packaged very, very well. Because I didn't order that many and they're in like, look at all that bubble wrap. It's very nice. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed because I'm trying to put out more videos and not have to edit. And all that too, Let me get my trusty dusty scissors. Lord. Oh Lord. I just got off of work this morning and I've been trying to put in a Walmart order and I don't know, somehow, some way, I found out about the express delivery and I just put in an order, so it's going to be here in like 2 hours. Hold on a second. So one thing I can say about these bottles, they have them packaged very well. So actually I have found these bottles on Etsy and they said that they would engrave them for free, but the price, the markup was so high. But look how well these are packaged. Okay, so I decided to go to, I don't know, Aliexpress or something. Oh, these are nice. And these are really big. Nice black matte spray bottles. Let me turn this camera around. So if you have not seen my video about bottling oils from Africa Imports, you should go watch that. I have a lot of oils and I have purchased like carrier oils because I want to make them into sprays, perfume sprays. So I decided to get these bottles. I am like, I'm sorry guys. I am really happy with how this is looking. These are pretty big. These are a nice size. I forgot how many mLs they were. I'll try to put it in the description. So that's the first package. I think it's all just the same size bottles. Yeah. They are amber, but they are frosted. This one looks frosted. That one, interesting. But I got these really cheap because compared to what I was going to get them for on Etsy. All right, let me open the other bag. And I also got some big spray bottles. I think this is Aliexpress. I literally cannot remember. I just got things working a 12-hour shift, so if that sounds crazy, it is what it is. I'm trying to be more consistent on my content. So, some of the bottles are supposed to be black and some are supposed to be amber. And actually, the two that I pulled out, I think one is amber and one is black. I think they've just like mixed them up. I think they've mixed them up. All right, let's put this back. They have twist tops, if you can see. Oh, Lord. All right. So this one actually looks black. This one looks black, too. And this looks like the frosted amber. But I am very satisfied with the size. I will be able to get plenty of perfume. And I actually got 2 aerosol sprayers, which I don't see. Okay, I think I see them now. Okay. Let me show you the aerosol sprayers. Comes with this cord. I will put links and prices below. Okay. So, let's flip this camera around. Alright. That's not bad. And then it comes with this spray top. So, thanks for watching the video. It's a real quick video. Stay tuned. I will show a video of me actually mixing my oils. And we'll see how well these sprayers work. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.